tablet-style touchscreen from the Prius Prime anticipates top-level 2018 Prius Plain purchasers this year. The news this year is that best trims of the Prius Plain get a tablet-sized touchscreen planted up front in the Auto, which was lifted from a year ago's Prius Prime. It's smooth, but not very much incorporated into the Auto's dashboard. Indeed, even without the 11.6-inch screen, the base Prius One figures out how to be very much outfitted, beginning at $24,370 with LED headlights and taillights, a 4.2-inch driver data show, fabric upholstery, 15-inch wheels, a standard suite of cutting-edge security hardware that we cover independently, keyless start, a rear-view camera, and a 6.1-inch touchscreen. The Prius One is intended for Armada purchasers, however might be an adroit pick for tight spending plans. That base hardware and the touchscreen are adequate for us to give the 2018 Toyota Prius a 7 out of 10 for highlights. From that point, the Prius is offered in Prius 2, Prius 2 Eco, Prius 3, Prius 3 Touring, Prius 4, and Prius 4 Touring trim levels. The Prius Prime is offered in Plus, Premium, and Advanced trim levels. The Prius C is secured separately. Prius 2 includes a split collapsing backseat for more freight room and little familiar luxuries missing from the Armada-centered Prius One, for example, front seat back pockets and a back wiper. Prius 2 Eco swaps the Prius One and Prius 2's nickel metal hydride battery pack for a progressively effective lithium particle unit for better mileage, which we cover beneath. The Prius 3 trim level is furnished with more comfort highlights, for example, gentler inside materials, a 7.0-inch touchscreen, remote cell phone charging, and a pearlescent white trim that gives off an impression of being a scratch magnet. Prius 3 Touring includes engineered cowhide seating surfaces rather than material. Toyota's bigger 11.6-inch touchscreen is standard on Prius 4 and Prius 4 Touring trim levels. Those forms include warmed front seats and a power movable driver's seat, power traveler seats, blue difference sewing, and programmed wipers are offered on the Prius 4 Touring trim. A head-up show and stopping sensors are offered as alternatives on Prius 3, Prius 4, and Prius 4 Touring trim levels. Vegetarians observe, no Prius utilizes genuine cowhide upholstery. Prius Prime models by and large take after a similar tradition with Plus, Premium, and Advanced trim levels excepting Prius 2, Prius 3 Touring, and Prius 4 Touring gear, separately. The Prius Prime makes standard a 11.6-inch touchscreen on premium and higher trim levels,